Hello, my name is Emily, and today we're going to be going through Module 10, Final Simulation and Testing, Activity 2, LunaSat Final Simulation Testing. In summary, in this activity, you will create a test plan for the LunaSat to ensure all the sensors are working as expected and that the LunaSat is ready for the mission. The goal is to learn how to implement a test plan. The materials and code needed. The materials you will need are 2 LunaSats, a computer with Arduino IDE installed, a bar magnet, 2 FTDIs and the associated cables, and the Activity 10.2 worksheet, LunaSat Final Simulation Testing to follow along, as well as Google Sheets. The code you will need is the Final Simulation Test, located under File, Examples, GLE 2023, Module Sketches, Module 10 Final Mission Simulation and Testing, and Final Simulation Test. As a brief overview, in this activity, you will be verifying and uploading your code to the LunaSat and opening the serial monitor, and going through a series of tests that aim to test each sensor in the LunaSat. You will go through a series of tests that test the initial conditions of the LunaSat when it is at a baseline, so it is lying flat on the table away from any magnetic sources or heat or cold sources. You will test the temperature sensor by touching it. You will test the accelerometer sensor in each of the 3 axes, X, Y, and Z, by turning your LunaSat and holding it on its side on different sides or on different faces. You will test the magnetometer by holding a bar magnet a specific distance away from the magnetometer. You will test the thermopile by holding your hand away from it at certain distances. You will test the capacitive sensor by holding your finger on it. And you will end this testing by shaking your LunaSat just so that it shows up in the data on the serial monitor. Essentially, you'll be doing a brief sort of version of each of the tests that you've already gone through in the different module slides, testing each sensor. Once you've done this, you will unselect auto scroll from the serial monitor and copy-paste all of the data shown in the serial monitor into a Google slide, which you will create plots out of to visualize your data in the next activity.